How to fix WhatsApp media disappearing. The reason the WhatsApp media is disappearing usually comes down to one of the three things: a specific privacy settings, a phone's gallery visibility, or a hidden file on Android. So if your media is vanishing from a chat itself after a set amount of 24 to 7 days, it could be the disappearing message feature. For that, simply tap on the three dot and go to settings. And here, just want to make sure to go to privacy, and after which just go to default message timer. So you might want to make sure to toggle this off, and after which for a specific chat, you just want to make sure to open the chat page, tap the three dot and go to more, or just tap on the three dot and make sure that disappearing message isn't toggled on. And once you've done this, you might also want to make sure to go ahead and open up WhatsApp and tap onto the three dot and go to settings and simply select chats. After which, you just want to make sure to toggle the media visibility button, or just here it is. And this way you should be able to fix. So these are some of the ways you could fix WhatsApp media disappearing. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.